Hello and welcome back. Today I will be making a feather tekiteki, which is a standing headpiece worn by girls and women during dance performances. Originally, this specific tekiteki is used in the lakalaka and ma'ulu'ulu, but today it can be used for general dance purposes. Items needed are feather boa, glue gun, 12-inch skewer 3mm, and scissors. First step is to cut off the extra thread from the feather boa and apply a small amount of glue to hold the thread in place. Give it a few seconds to dry before I cover it with feather to prevent from touching the glue. Pinch together. From the pointed edge of the skewer, leave a 3-inch space, then apply glue in an upward direction of about 2 inches, covering around the skewer with glue. Take the feather boa, hold it in place with one hand while wrapping around the skewer with the other hand, making sure that each layer is close together. And I usually push down gently and adjust as I go. Add glue and wrap around the skewer. Continue this process until you're close to the top. When I've reached about an inch to the top of the skewer, apply glue and wrap the feather boa around, holding it in place with one hand. And what I usually do at this point is cut off about 2.5 inches and apply glue. And I'll slightly wrap it around, but I leave about an inch. Apply glue again. And what I'm gonna do with that last inch is place the remaining feather on top to give it a pointed look. And hold it in place, making sure that it adheres. Pinch and fluff it out. And that's how you make a tekiteki.